Hello, good morning everyone. This is my report, public sector and private sector. By the way, my name is Anapi Martinez Review. So first, we talked about objectives. Objectives. Private sector to make profit, while public sector to provide goods and services. Ang, ang pinaka-project objective ng private is to increase the market shares to get a sustainable competitive advantage, and public sector naman ay mag-provide sila ng goods and services sa mga citizens. So next. What is public sector? So public sector is which is under control of government, whether it central, state, or local. So the public sector is the segment of the economy owned, operated, and controlled by the government agencies. It provides services to the general public that contribute to societal well-being, such as law enforcement, national defense, public transportation, transit, infrastructure, educational institutions, and health services. And what is private sector? This is controlled and owned by the private individuals or companies. The part of national economy that is not under direct government control. So next, difference between public sector and private sector. Raises money from in public sector is revenue, tax, duty, penalty. While private sector is issuing shares, debentures, or by taking loan. So yeah, nakita niyo naman na ang public sector ay kumukuha lamang ng money from sa taxpayer at mga revenues. At sa mga private naman is shares and debentures as well as his or her loan. Next, basic promotion. Ang pinaka-basic promotion of public is seniority, while in private is merit and job performance. So, ang seniority is yun yung mga kataasan or katagalan sa isang organisasyon, while in private is yung mga maganda mong performance sa isang company. Then next, benefits. Provide job security, housing facilities, allowance, and retirement benefits. Sa public yun. And then in private, they provide higher salary, greater chance of promotion, and incentive in terms of bonus. So, yun nga, nagpro-provide sila sa public ng libreng pabahay, mga allowance at pagbibigay ng mga allowance at mga retirement benefits. At sa private naman is pinapatas lang nila ang sahod mo at may chance kang ma-promote or at mabigyan ka ng mga bonus. Next, types of workers. Civil servants in public sector, while in private sector is employees and independent contractors. So yung mga ano nga yung civil servants? So yung civil servants is yung mga police, navy, human resources, at marami pang iba. Yung private sector naman is yung mga employees at mga independent contractors. Ang independent contractors, yun yung mga self-employed at kinokontrata tulad ng carpentero, plumbers, electrician at marami pang iba. So next, conclusions. Any country needs both the public sector and private sector to work at their full potential. There are many differences between the two, but a robust financial and economic system must have an adequate mixture of companies belonging to both these sectors. So next, this is my Bible verse. John 14 verse 1. Do not let your heart be troubled. Believe in God, also believe in me. Thank you.